Hey guys, it's Mika here. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about lashes. So if most of you have been watching my videos, you know that I'm not the best at doing lashes. I always do it off camera because it always takes me so long. I felt like I could come on here and just show you guys the process of how I put my lashes on, you know, just the little tips and tricks that I use to help me get the lashes on and get them to stay on and just hold on throughout the day. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you how I apply my false lashes. Let's get into it. So first off, the lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Kiss lashes. I believe these are the Lash Couture, and these are in one of my favorite styles by Lash Couture, which is Little Black Dress. So some of the tools that you're going to use to help you apply these lashes, or at least what I love to use to help apply my lashes, are some tweezers, some lash glue, a little handheld mirror, and of course your lashes. So the first thing I want to show you is how I take the lashes actually off of the little plastic thing that it comes in. So you can either go in with your tweezers and hold at one edge and just peel it off very carefully. But what I like to do is I like to just use my finger and gently pull them down. That way it's easy to just pull it off. And then that's the lash there. Now once you have your lashes off, it's very important to make sure you measure and make sure that the lashes fit your eye. So what I do is I take the lashes and I just place it on my eye. I don't let it go. I still hold it with the tweezers because it'll just fall off. I don't have much lashes to hold these false lashes, so I like to hold the lashes in the tweezers and just place it on my eye to just see if it fits. Now these fit my eyes perfectly, so I don't have to cut anything. If they are too long, now if you find that your lashes are a little bit too long for your eyes, what you can do is get some small scissors and you just want to snip off a little bit from the outside. Now how you tell the outer corner from the inner corner is the inner corner is always going to be shorter. So if they're too long for your eyes, you're going to want to snip some from the outer corner of the eyelashes. These lashes have a thicker band. For myself, since I do struggle a little bit with putting on false eyelashes, I like to go with eyelashes that have a thicker band because I feel like it's less wobbly than ones that have a thin band. And with the thicker band, it's easier for me to just place it and it won't like move all over the place for me. But with the thicker bands, they tend to have like these little pieces at the end here. So with my scissors, I like to just go in and snip that off. Now for the glue that I'm going to be using is the Duo Lash Glue, and this is in the dark tone, which just means that it's going to come off black. And I like using the dark tone one that dries black because it's going to further conceal the lash band on the eye. Now for the glue, this one has a brush tip, which I think is a much easier applicator to apply the glue. So I just go in and swipe a thin layer right along the lash band, focusing more on the outer ends. The trick with lashes is you have to let the glue dry, or at least get tacky. So not fully dry, but you want it to start getting a little bit tacky. So once it's tacky, it's easier for you to place it on the eye. That way it's gonna stick in the place that you set it down first, and then once you go into finish adhering it to the eye, you're not gonna have as much problems. So I like to let this sit for at least 20 to 30 seconds before I try applying it on the eye, and I just fan it a little bit to help the drying process go a little bit faster. Now as I'm letting the glue dry, a lot of people apply mascara before they put on their lashes. For me, I don't like to apply a mascara before I put on my lashes because although I may not have a lot of lashes, like looking directly on, you can't see my lashes, they're non-existent. They can tend to get really curly once I put the mascara on. Once they curl up, it's like it's too much of a struggle to put the lash on top because everything kind of mixes in, and then I get frustrated, and then nothing sticks and it's just a hot mess. So what I like to do is let the lash glue dry, apply the lashes on my eyes, and try to apply it as close to my lash line as possible, so that once I go in afterwards with my mascara, that's how I blend my natural lashes with the false lashes. Now as the glue has dried down a little bit tackier, I'm gonna go in now with my handheld mirror and keep my head straight but looking down into the mirror. I'm now going to apply the lashes as close to my lash line as possible. And that is the lash on. As you can see, I tried to get it as close as possible to my lash line. Looking down into the handheld mirror really helps because it really allows you to look down and be able to place that as close as you can to the lash line. Alright, and now that I have the lashes on, I'm just going to go ahead in with my mascara just to further blend my natural lashes with the false lashes. Okay guys, so that is how I apply my false lashes, and this is what they look like when they're on. And trust me, I did a lot of touching up behind the scenes, but thank God for the magic of editing, because we would be here for forever. I hope that it helps someone. If this video helped you at all, just leave me a comment down below. If you guys have any more suggestions or tips or tricks that you use that maybe I can use that you can share with me, leave them down below. Definitely leave it down below, because if there's a quicker way, an easier way to do it, listen, let me know down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, do hit that subscribe button down below, or it'll be over here in the corner. Just hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. And also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh.